What's up guys, this is my first tutorial video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to do before and after transition effect in Final Cut Pro 10. It is really easy to do it, so let's get started. So here we are in Final Cut Pro. So this is the clip from my recent trip to Malvern, and this clip is color graded. So first step which you have to do it, you have to copy this clip and you have to paste it besides it, and after that you have to drag the new clip above the old clip exactly similar to that, and you have to remove the color grade from the new clip which you have dragged above the old clip. Once you delete the color grade from the new clip, you have to place markers like from where you want to start the transition from. So after seeing the clip, I would like to start my transition from here. So I press M1 over here and I will click on space to see how long I want to last my transition. Till here I want to last my transition, so press M again. Once you've done that, then press crop and then go to the first marker. You have to go in crop, then you have to go in right, press the keyframe button and then go on to the second marker and drag the right this thing completely over. I know it won't go further, then you have to click on it and you have to drag your mouse upwards so that can complete the whole line. So that's literally it. It is really easy to do it. So I hope you guys liked the video. If it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and even you can leave a comment in the comment section below like what videos you want to look in the future. So that's it for now. Peace.